Alrighty guys, so here is a K3LL. Well, technically this was originally a K3HL. However, the previous owner who had it before me swapped it out with the low profile manifold. So this is what we have tonight. This is got the raised letter 1L, 1 and 2. So I'm at my usual testing location. There's no one here. And as usual, it's very quiet. It's 41 degrees. So it's gonna be a good night. So I'm gonna set up my camera right there and we'll see how she sounds. So here's the K3L again. I'm bringing it up for another run on a cold, chilly night. 41 degrees out, but it is so quiet here you can hear a pin drop a mile away, which is perfect. Building up pressure, should be almost there. So I'm a little over 120 PSI, so it should shut off. And there it goes actually. What you hear there is a cooling fan. So. Gonna bring it out, so I'm gonna sound it off for another run, and here we go.